Hello, welcome to Easy Classes. In this video I'm going to show you how to free download and install Fusion 360 software on your Windows operating system. Guys, Fusion 360 is a cloud-based 3D modeling software will help in product designing. Okay, if you are looking for free trial, then this is the right video for you. Okay, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, let's get started. As a first step, we are going to download the Fusion 360. To download, open any browser and search for Autodesk or visit autodesk.in. If you are visiting from India, you can use autodesk.in or you can select your country here. So once you landed the home page, there go to the products and the menu and select start a trial. Click on that. Then scroll down. Here you can find the list of products from the Autodesk. Find Fusion 360 here. Here it is. Click on that. Now you have to click on download free trial button. Yes, it will ask you are downloading for business or education. Now select the business, because if you select the education, the Fusion 360 will not be available. Select the business and click next. And you have to sign in here. If you don't have created the Autodesk ID, then go to the create account here and fill the form. I have already done it. So let me sign in. So after create, sign in with your email and password. So once you log in, select the first option and what do you primarily plan to use this Fusion 360 for? I want to use this for mechanical engineering. Select your preferred option, and in the second, what is your primary design and manufacturing software solution? For me, SketchUp. Then click next. Now put your company name, country, provenance and country of residence. Then put your mobile number. Now hit next. Finally, you have to click on the access. So once you click on that, again come to the autodesk.in, then go to your account, then select products and services. You need to again log in if it asks. Okay, once you log into your account and once you visit the products and services, you will find the Fusion 360. So go and download. Now you can see the Fusion 360 client has been downloaded. Right click on that and select open. Now hit run. Guys, it's setting up. Make sure you have connected with internet because it will download some supportive files. I will be back once it finished. Okay, the setup has completed and it's launching. Say next, and you can create a team here. If you don't have, create the fresh team and add the team name, anything you want to rename, and then create. Yes, our team is ready to use. Just go to team. Now just click on the got it. As you can see, we have got the trial for 30 days. This is the free trial that we can use for 30 days. And guys, this is how we can download and install the Autodesk Fusion 360 for free on our Windows operating system. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, I will meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.